What is up guys, Mark McGarry here coming at you with another value pack video, and today we're going to talk about the value ladder and the importance it has to play in your sales process. It is one of, if not the most important part of your sales process, because without one we cannot build a sales funnel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a quick graph here just explaining the value ladder. Okay, so on the left we have the value, and on the bottom, the price, right? So basically, what is a value ladder? So it's all a value ladder is, it's an ascending series of sales that you're going to take someone through. So say they opt into your list. So you're typically going to start with something cheap or very, very low, say $7, right? So say someone opts into your email list. And this is where knowing your target market is really vital, because that's who you're going to market to. So you're trying to solve people's problems and solve people's pains with something you can give them for either for free or for a very, very low price, say $7. So typically, a free ebook, video training series, maybe a consultation or something like that. Something that's either cheap or very, very low price, that's going to solve someone's problems and their pains, right? So we usually call it the bait. So you're going to use the bait to get your prospect in, right? And that's the first step. And then of course we're going to have this an ascending series of sales value ladder, right? So each step of the way, each step of the value ladder, you're going to offer them something of higher price, but that adds more value, so they keep coming back. And of course, you're going to have maybe various upsells along the way to keep them engaged, right? And of course, the goal is to get them at the very top of the value ladder. And as you can see here, they're very, very happy because you solve their problems, offer them more and more value along the way for higher priced products, right? Now, ideally, in a perfect world, we can go up to everybody on the street and say, buy my most expensive offer. But it's not a perfect world, obviously, right? So more than likely, you go up to someone in the street and say, buy my, my highest priced product right now. And you know what's going to happen? They're going to laugh at you, right? Because you haven't offered them any value and they're expecting them to buy, your most expensive product, right? So, but if you came to my website and I was giving you a free book of marketing strategies, you would order it, right? Because you're my target market. I'm solving your problems for free, or or offering a solution to your pains for free or for a very, very low price, right? And that'll get you in. You're going to say, oh yeah, Mark solved my problem. Excellent. What else have you got to offer? And then you can put in different products at higher prices where you offer them more value, right? So, if you're in my target market, right, probably yes, as the money is low and you're getting value for a very, very low amount of money. So, as an example, we use maybe a dentist, right? So, what the dentist is going to do, so maybe you come into the dentist, you make an appointment, he'll offer, say, teeth whitening or teeth cleaning or something, for example, for maybe 10, 15, 20 bucks, right? So the dentist would have teeth cleaning as number one, right? So you're getting your teeth cleaned and they say, oh, Mark, right, we're going to clean these teeth up nicely, and they're going to look really, really good. But I've noticed that, you kind of need some more work done, right? So maybe we could really polish them up, get them nice and shiny, nice and white. So would you be interested in teeth whitening? So he'd say, are you interested in having your teeth whitened? And because he's done such a good job, you say, yeah, of course, get my teeth whitened. So maybe 4 or 5 weeks later, you come back to get them whitened. And then while he's doing that, he'll say, why don't we put in a retainer? So the dentist will put in a retainer Okay, and then while he's doing that, he'd say, you know, really to get these teeth at the really nicest and highest quality and prettiest, you know, we really like to do some cosmetic work, so would you be interested? You'd say, yeah, you've done, you know, give me such good value along the way, and you really solved my problems and my pains. Let's go for it. So that'll be his top, offer on his value ladder, right? So he's taking you from, you know, very, very cheap teeth cleaning right up to the top of his value ladder, all along the way, and you're very, very happy to pay for it. So you probably walked out spending, you know, a few $1,000s, right? But he solved your problems. And then of course he'd have a follow-up. So 6-month follow-up. So every 6 months he gets you back into the door, and you know, he might start the cycle again, right? So that'll be an example of a dentist value ladder, right? So for me, because I'm in the internet marketing niche, what I'm gonna do, get rid of these right here, so I don't have to draw with the graph again. So for me, because my target market, I know there's a lot of guys out there, a lot of people who have problems, you know, maybe running a solo ad and getting results, and know how to pick the right solo ad vendor, that kind of thing, right? So for me, because my target market, I know my target market, that's who I'm going to market towards, which is a key, of course, knowing your target market. So what I'm going to do to use as my bait would be, you know, maybe a $7 ebook. Or a $7 training course on solo ads, how to run a solo ad campaign successfully. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm actually going to leave a link down below to my Tripwire offer, which is called the Solo Ad Success Formula, which is really, really awesome at, you know, helping you, you know, get around your head around solo ads and how to run successful campaigns, right? So solo ad formula, like $7, right? So that'll be my Tripwire offer. It's called a Tripwire offer. So I get in through the door on that, right? And because, you know, I've solved their problems, they know how to run a successful solo ad campaign. They might have made, you know, a few sales on that campaign. They're going to say, you know, what else do you have to offer? And that's where the value ladder starts kicking in. So maybe the second step of my value ladder, we'll have, you know, you say, oh, you got great success out of the Solo Ad Success Formula, so why don't you check out my affiliate opportunity that I'm part of, which is making me loads and loads of sales and, you know, teach me all about marketing, right? So we'll have maybe the monthly membership. For like, you know, $39, right? Something like that, or $29. And then they have a great training series, and they'll get really, really good value out of this, and they'll learn about marketing and how to get leads and sales and all that good stuff. And they say, wow, you offer me really, really good value here again. What else have you got? So we go on to, you know, well, seeing as you're being so successful, why don't you try out what's called the core offer, which would be like an annual membership, right? So we'd have annual for like, say, $400, right? Or something like that, right? Okay, so they're ascending my value ladder each and every time, and they're getting more and more value for a higher price. And then, of course, on my very, very top offer here, of course, big smiley face there, we'd have, you know, say, top tier level of membership, which would be actually called the Pro membership, which is, you know, $3,000 or whatever. So that would be the very top of my value ladder. So I've taken them from an ascending sales process up to my top tier offer. And then, of course, we'll have a series of upsells along the way. And that would be my value ladder, right? So as you can see, we've taken him, and he's a very, very happy person here. And he solved their problems. He's absolutely happy. So in my value ladder, I basically have a free lead magnet which provides value to my target audience. Next, I have my Tripwire offer for $7. So I know my target market would struggle with solo ads, so that'll be absolutely perfect for them. And they are ascending my ladder. And then, of course, go up to the top level, Pro membership. So for you, you need to sit down and figure out your target market, first of all, before you do your value ladder. And after that, you can create products that'll actually appeal to your target market to take them through that value ladder. So it's like selling, you know, steak to a hungry meat eater in the desert, right? He's going to go for that steak. But if you actually gave it to a starving vegan, what's going to happen? He's not going to take that steak no matter how hungry he is, right? So, you know, that's basically it, guys. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link below to my Tripwire offer, which is a solo ad success formula. So if you've ever had problems getting leads and sales of solo ads, you can check that out. And I'm also going to leave a link below into my affiliate opportunity that I'm with, that actually use a solo ad success formula to get leads and sales with, guys. So again, guys, thanks for hopping on to this video, and I'll catch you next time.